sound. Chat is my ears. First try. Okay. So I'm gonna go in like I usually do. I'm gonna grab a EMF. I'm gonna grab a light so I can see. And I'm gonna grab I just realized I don't have push to talk. Correct. Text is perfect. So make sure all my settings are good before I begin. I don't want to mess up halfway through this and be like, did I have my settings wrong? Because your boy was definitely playing with some stuff. Voice sprint mode, there it is. Hold. Okay. All right, let's do it. I just used some silly. Thank you. So we're going in, and I'm gonna figure out this ghost. If you guys hear anything at all, if you hear a door touch, if you hear the ghost throw something, I need your help. Wherever you may hear it, I need your help. I need your help. Okay. We have a summoning circle that I probably won't use. The ghost is normally in here. If you heard walking, that could be me. That could be me. That could definitely be me. Alright, we have a boner. That's good. It was me, yes. 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 Oh, wait! I think the ghost is in here. Something on the ground. The cold. 10.6. What bone of the body? The ribs. The ribs I always wish for barbecue sauce. Gotta put barbecue sauce in your ribs. You know? Gotta put the barbecue sauce in. What kind of ribs are they if there's no barbecue? Get and this where I don't die. Who dropped their ribs? Probably someone who wasn't someone who probably wasn't very hungry. Cause I'm gonna eat them. I actually have no idea if it speaks to me. I have no idea if it speaks to me. So I'm gonna need your guys' help. I have no idea.
Taken away.
Oh wait, I think that's a response. Because it could be orange or white. You got spirit box. Thank you. Thank you. Make a noise. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we got one. Put this out here. I think response. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys saved my butt. Now, I'm learning how the game works with only visuals now. It could be a race, so let's get some of these down. Yuta Silver Gear 2023, what's poppin', homie? Good to see you. I'm doing a challenge where I cannot hear a single thing. You guys in chat tell me what you hear when I play some Phasmo. And of course it's for the YouTubes. So I'm trying to only do fun and crazy challenges people would think. Oh boy. This guy's out of his mind. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome in. I make my famous diesel panini. I don't know what that means, but homie. Sounds good to me. Let's see if it steps in salt. Steps in salt. We rule up the rate. We only get 2 evidence. We only get 2 evidence. Okay. Can rule that out. Put this here. Imagine playing this blindfolded. Is that the next challenge? Blindfolded? I don't know if that's possible. I don't know if that's possible. I can only make it while listening and watching your streams. Ah, really? Well, that's good to know. It must be pretty good. Can you survive the night at Five Nights at Freddy's? Is that the game you guys want me to play? That might be too scary for me. That might be too scary. I don't know if I can manage that one. MF 3. MF 3. Thing hasn't done anything. What was that? Did I see dots? Is it throwing anything? Not too hard. The first game you have blast doors to keep the animatronics out and cameras to look at. Ah, I see. I'm very much a investigator. Oh, it's throwing stuff. MF 3. I haven't seen. I haven't seen any dots. You have spirit box, that's it. Spirit box. No orbs. Thanks for the boop. Thanks for the boops. I'll have to try it sometime. You dear? I'll have to try it sometime. Have you played Phasmo before? Oh, wait. Okay. She's over there. I don't know why you're over there. Hello? Not at all. Let me know if you have any questions. EMF 4 over here. What did I throw? You don't have cheese? That's too bad. Really too bad. Door touch? Oh, I need that. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. I don't see any UV. This is killing me. This is killing me. You know what this could be? I don't know what this could be. Yelling at me. I don't know what my sanity is. We might have to get ready to loop this thing. Oh boy. I'm not gonna know when it's hunting though. I'm gonna need you guys. I'm not gonna know. I mean, it could have left the room. Could be freezing. Freezing is totally bugged in this. 1 week to SV DLC. I heard. Everybody's excited. I think I've stayed away from most of the leaks. So Pokemon is huge for League, man. Huge. When Pokemon Scarlet and Violet first came out, I knew pretty much everything. New Paradox. This is very true. Very true. Is it out here? Stall? Airball, thank you. Very helpful. Nikki, love you. Thank you, friend. These are Raging Bolt. I have seen those. Those weren't leaks though. That was trailers. That was trailers. I have seen those. If you hear anything at all, you guys can shed it at me, because your boy can't. Is there a food place in Discord? There's selfies. There's probably food. I would say there's probably food. Phantom up there. Poltergeist, Mare, Yuka, Onrya, Theo, Twins, Mimic. Oh boy. Alright, I think it's smudge time. Don't forget to let Diesel know if you hear anything in game. Bro, I can't hear a single thing. I can't hear a single thing. Oh, she's coming for me. That's horrible. Horrible. I'm gonna grab this. She's definitely out. That was a terrible scream. Terrible scream. Is she hunting? Hunt? Come here. Come here. Come here. You're not coming? Oh my god! I never saw her! I never saw her! That was horrible. That was horrible. Was that a phantom? It might be. Faye! Welcome. I can't hear. I'm playing without sound. There's a long blink. Maybe phantom. That would be huge. That would be huge. I'm playing without sound. Long blink? Okay, that could be a phantom. She's horrified. She won't leave me alone. She's shocking me. She literally won't leave me alone. This is awful. Did she turn off the breaker? I didn't notice the blink, but I believe you guys. She just wants to cuddle. No cuddles for Diesel. No cuddles. No cuddles. Oh, did she burn the cruci? Uh-oh. Was that twice? Was that a second burn? I don't even know, bro. Phantom will be very dangerous without sound. Good luck. I know. I'm probably dead. Do we all think it's a phantom? Because I will get out of here. I will trust you guys. I don't know if she's coming. I get no idea. She's gonna teleport to me. I know she is. I know she is. What? Does it break her off or just... Oh, is she hunting? Is she hunting? You can't hear her. Oh god. Okay. Thank you. I guess you just turned the light off on me. Oh. Ready for any type of blink from her. I'm so trembling. I'm so trembling. coming out. You stop? Yes! Oh. Okay, that's one. One more phantom. This is ridiculously hard. Ridiculously hard. Let's go! Well done, everybody. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. We did one. No games though. Yeah, we keep going.